and welcome to our Back to Miss Crafts lair. This is day 3 of Vlogmas. I will start off by saying that my back is feeling a heck of a lot better today. I am just going to be taking today a little bit on the easy side again, just to not overdo it too early. So, still in my living room, in a different spot because I can actually stand to sit here now. In my very expensive yarn bowl, I have a ball of green yarn. Today, I have decided that I want to make a little Christmas tree to put in the lair. So, I have my F hook. This is thyme, medium thyme from Red Heart Super Saver. That I have left over from, because we all know I'm still working off, or for those of you who don't know, I am still working off my yarn stash because I have way too much yarn. There is no reason for me to go out and buy more yarn at this point in time. So I have leftover medium thyme. This is leftover from the Flower Monster, and I figured this is actually perfect green for a Christmas tree. So I am going to spend this afternoon working on making a Christmas tree. Now I am thinking maybe about yay tall, about 8 inches to 12 inches tall. So yeah, I am going to get it started on this, and we'll see how this turns out. It might turn into a pattern, I'm thinking. So I am going to carry on my way here, and I will meet you up in just a bit. After a few hours of work, this is what I have. Looking good. I'm happy with the way that it's increasing and such. I am not happy with the amount of yarn that I have left in the time. This, of all of the colors that I have in my stash, green is not very heavy. So I did some troubleshooting. I had brainstorming, and what I came up with is I am going to rip this back and until the second increase. So I'll start off with the thyme on the top, and then because I am intending on doing like scallops around the entire thing, so what I'm thinking of doing is just working until maybe the second scallop row and in the thyme, and then I am going to continue working the tree main body in the brown, because I figure tree trunk brown, it'll work. So I am going to swap midway or partially way to the tree trunk. It'll look green, I'm thinking, completely from the outside, but yet from the inside, I'm saving on the green. So that is the plan to tell you how I was working on this. So I started off with 6 single crochets in a magic circle. Second row was work even. Then the next row was add 3 stitches. And that particular one I worked both loops. So went from 6 to 9, worked even 9, then I upped to 12 stitches. Yeah, I want to say I did. Yeah, I upped to 12 stitches using the back loop only, worked even, increased back loop only row, and that's how I have been doing this. Um, I think one other change, because all of the increases are in line, I think what I'm going to do when I'm working this up this next time, I am actually going to, um, my microwave is yelling at me. Um, when I work this up this next time, I when I'm increasing, because I'm increasing 3 stitches every increased row, so it's all kind of in line. I don't want to do that the next one. So I'm going to kind of offset the increases just so in that way it's not giving it like a weird shape. Because to me it looks kind of oddly shaped. Like there. See how it's kind of like bent down here? Um, want to keep that from happening this next time. So I have learned quite a bit. Um, now it's just a matter of saving some of this yarn for the scallops to go around. I do have I do have this, what color is this? Deep Forest. I do have this Loops and Threads Deep Forest. It's kind of close. This is the same one I used because I got scared that I was running out of the time for the Flower Monster. I did use some of this on the Flower Monster. Even though I probably in hindsight had enough, but um yeah. So I do have some more green. It's just not, I don't think it, yeah. I would rather use all the same color green. So I am going to get to that and I will show you what it looks like when I get the cone done for the tree. All right. So I've gotten this far on the fixing of the tree. However, I am, by my calculations, about 5 rows short of getting to where I can start the decreases on the bottom. So, however, um, it is getting kind of late and I am going to go to bed. So I am going to wrap up the video, this video for tonight. I will be back tomorrow to finish this off. Hope you like this. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. I have ways that you can support me down in the description below. There's my link tree and all the other places you can find me on the web and such. So, and as well as my, yeah, so, alright, until tomorrow, bye!